Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. The Chief Justice of India and the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President under clause within bracket 2 of Article 124 of the Constitution. Stop. Stanza. Appointment to the office of the Chief Justice of India should be of the senior-most judge of the Supreme Court considered fit to hold the office. Full stop. The Union Minister of Law, Justice and Company Affairs would, at the appropriate time, seek the recommendation of the outgoing Chief Justice of India for the appointment of the next Chief Justice of India. Full stop. Stanza. Whenever there is any doubt about the fitness of the senior-most judge to hold the office of the Chief Justice of India, consultation with other judges as envisaged in Article 124 within bracket 2 of the Constitution would be made for appointment of the next Chief Justice of India. Full stop. Stanza. After receipt of the recommendation of the Chief Justice of India, comma, the Union Minister of Law, comma, Justice and Company Affairs will put up the recommendation to the Prime Minister, who will advise the President in the matter of appointment. Full stop. Stanza. Whenever a vacancy is expected to arise in the office of a judge of the Supreme Court, comma, the Chief Justice of India will initiate proposal and forward his recommendation to the Union Minister of Law, comma, Justice and Company Affairs to fill up the vacancy. Full stop. Stanza. The opinion of the Chief Justice of India for appointment of a judge of the Supreme Court should be formed in consultation with a collegium of the four senior most puissant judges of the Supreme Court. Full stop. If the successor Chief Justice of India is not one of the four senior most puissant judges, he would be made part of the collegium, as he should have a hand in selection of judges who will function during his term as Chief Justice of India. Full stop. Stanza. The Chief Justice of India would ascertain the views of the senior-most judge in the Supreme Court, comma, who hails from the High Court from where the person recommended comes, comma, but if he does not have any knowledge of his merits and demerits the next senior-most judge in the Supreme Court from the High Court should be consulted. Full stop. Stanza. The requirement of consultation with a judge of the Supreme Court would not be confined to that judge only who has that High Court as a parent High Court and, comma, therefore, comma, would not exclude judges who have on transfer occupied the office of a judge or Chief Justice of that High Court. Full stop. And over. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM। स्पीड बूस्ट पैसेज था जिसके अंदर से आपको प्यूजन आया, PUISNE, ठीक है, प्यूजन बोलते हैं इसको, PUISNE। या मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन अगर गलत हो तो रियल प्रोनाउंसिएशन आप लोग देख के उसकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, ठीक है। थोड़ा सा समझना भी है क्योंकि थोड़ी सी इसके अंदर जो है आपको मिस हियरिंग भी जरूरी है, ठीक है। और बाकी सारे वर्ड्स इजी थे। सीनियर मोस्ट, जैसे सीनियर मोस्ट होता है, अपर मोस्ट होते हैं, ये वर्ड्स वन वर्ड होते हैं, तो इन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना है। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर एंड सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस।